Hello, fam. If your kids are the kind of kids that's always having cough, catarrh, that have refused to go, let me teach you what you're going to do. You get ginger, you grate it. If you don't have a light like I don't have now, I have to grate it. You can blend. You get onion, you get garlic, you get ginger, you get black pepper. Blend. I've already blended black pepper before. And you get turmeric. Boil it. You can put sweetener if you want. You can put sweetener, like I normally use jaggery to sweeten. You can see the jaggery. I normally use jaggery to sweeten, so that they will not abandon it for me there, or I don't need to start shouting, because these children, when you don't have something that tastes better to their taste bud, is a wala problem. So you boil it. When it has boiled a bit, don't let it overboil. Just let the heat come up a little, 80 to 90 degrees, but let it boil, almost boil, or let it not overboil. Then you can sieve this. After sieving it, you start giving it to your kids, right? Adults can take it too. Bye. You can see that it's bubbling. It wants to boil. Like this is very okay. Just sieve it and start giving to your kids. If you like, in fact, if you don't even like to sieve it, allow it. Just that one you want to give them at that particular point in time, you can just sieve that and give to them and allow the other ones inside. All right. Alpha, drink. Oh. Sorry. Okay. Sorry. Just. Sorry.